Guys, you can see the smile I have as a farmer. It's crazy. We are learning a lot of things. It's your guy from Benster Farm, and today we're going to learn about dwarf lemons. I'm not sure whether you've heard about them, but there is a particular kind of a lemon tree called dwarf, and me and Victor here are just going to take you through the dwarf lemons. So welcome to Benster Farm, and please subscribe before you continue watching this content, and let's learn together. So Victor,
Yes.
tell us more about the dwarf
Okay.
lemon.
Dwarf lemon,
Yes,
it's not common sana.
yes,
But it's becoming a very common form of lemon fruit.
yes.
Yenye every farmer ana wish sana ikue kwa shamba yake.
Okay.
And also it's now iko na market. Yeah, it's a highly marketable right now.
Yes.
Depending na market wako venye ananunua kwako.
Okay. Guys,
This is the fruit now.
I'll tell you.
Yeah?
This thing is around 40 centimeters tall. 40 centimeters tall. And it has already started producing as short as 15 centimeters. You can see there is the fruit.
Yeah. In fact, it's not supposed to go beyond this.
It's not supposed to go
That's
beyond
why it's called
50
dwarf.
centimeters.
Yeah, that's why it's called dwarf.
Yeah.
These are the flowers. Yeah.
That's the flowers.
These are the
So
flowers.
guys, you can see.
Yeah.
Just hold on and show guys the flowers.
Yeah.
Guys, these are the flowers. So this is how they look.
Yeah. And these are not
You see the fruits.
Yeah.
Are these lemons? Do they taste different from the other lemons?
Okay,
Or
they
what
have
makes
no
it
different? It's only that the size.
Mhm.
Yeah, and also
Is that the size?
Yeah,
How they grow bigger?
they will still grow bigger.
Okay.
Compared to this size. Maybe
Okay.
as we go, I will show you the big one.
Guys, this is around how many? How old is this tree?
Okay, this one is around. It's almost getting to 10 months.
10 months.
Yeah, or 11 months.
Guys, you heard? With dwarf lemons, you can get fruits in less than a year.
Yeah.
You can see. I'm not sure. So
And also
a plant can
everything
produce how
per plant.
how many fruits?
Okay, in each plant it depends on the live flowers. Yeah, you know, mostly at this challenging season,
Yeah.
most of the crops, or maybe the ones which usually have flowers,
Yes.
they usually about a lot of flowers. So you get around maybe a few plants, they have few flowers. So it depends on how many flowers are going to survive.
Okay.
And also your maintenance.
Your maintenance.
Yeah.
Guys, we have a whole line of dwarf plants, dwarf lemons. You can see that is how dwarfy they are,
Yeah.
and they produce. Allow me to laugh, man. They produce while very short. You can
Now,
see.
these are the fruits.
Yeah.
And as you can see, there are more than 5.
I can
This
see
one, 1, 2,
2, 3, 4, 5,
The others here.
6, 7.
Yeah. There are so many.
You can see, and then you can
We
see the
also
kind
have
of the flower,
flowers,
how
yeah.
it is. So within less than 10 months, your plant is producing fruits,
Yeah.
and you're able to sell these
So,
lemons.
so let's say at an equivalent, the lowest it can give you maybe 20 per hour. This,
Yeah.
depending on the way you maintain it.
Yes.
Or,
Yes.
those are the fruits now. Yes.
So guys, you can see the line. They are really dwarfy. If there is a word like that.
As the name is. Okay.
As a name, and they are really producing. These are quick money.
Yeah.
Quick money. And nowadays lemons are very expensive.
Very.
If you go to the market, and I'm sure there is this is yo.
See, these are now
Guys, have a
more than
look.
10.
In 9 months, and it is already producing some fruits. You can see so many. Yo, quick money, huh? Guys, this is lemons. I'm not sure. I'm going to do a research on what dwarf lemons are really used for. I don't know whether they're best for doing those whiskey things, tequilas and all those. Or what are they for? Or they have some medicinal value. Please, yeah. If you know about them, please post. Just do it in the comment. Tell us more about them. Tell us more about the dwarfy and why they are mostly preferred. But it's, what I've noticed is they take very short time to produce fruits vis-a-vis the other kind of lemons. And you don't need a ladder. You don't need to use a stool to plug off the fruits. They're just down here, less than 1 meter, and you have your fruits there, and you are able to plug them as you walk. You can send your kids to the shamba, and plug them as they walk. You can see beautiful flowers. And you always know lemons are very hardy. Lemons are very hardy crops, and they are easy to manage. And they don't suffer from any diseases and all that. Basically, this is like it's one of the most naturally grown plant. That's why when you want to produce those pixies or those kind of oranges, you have to first plant the lemon, and then you graft it with whatever kind of orange you want to do. Today you know about dwarf lemons. They are on my magotis. So it's your guy from Venster Farm, and please subscribe to learn more. Let's educate each other. Let's learn together. Let's feed the nation. Thank you.